Write the rational expression as an equivalent expression with the indicated denominator. 15 over 4p is equal to what over 64p cubed? To write this rational expression with the new denominator, we first need to figure out what we need to multiply 4p by in order for it to equal 64p cubed. 64p cubed is equal to 4p times 16p squared, which means we need to multiply the numerator and denominator of the given rational expression by 16p squared. We have 15 over 4p, and we'll multiply that by 1 in the form of 16p squared over 16p squared. Multiplying the numerators and denominators, we have 240p squared divided by 64p cubed.